Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fill in a fillable PDF form or type text in a fillable text box using PDF XChange Editor. Open your fillable PDF form with PDF XChange Editor, select file option and here you will find this open option and you can open and browse or from open URL and show on. And this is a fillable PDF form and simply click on this fill our text box and type text and type here your mail and you can type your phone number and type your address and this checkbox you can check it and so on. In this way you can type text and fill in your fillable PDF form and finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form and save it and close it and reopen this and see this text event. Yeah, in this way you can fill in your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.